This is another entrance where car come. You can enter from the other way. You can enter from the other entrance.
Yes.
Enter the underground and park, then still follow here.
This is where you will come out if you want to come out.
Okay. This is it. You can only see this in Anambra State. Umuchuku. We are talking about Chief Dr. Godwin Maduka, who is from Umuchuku, Anambra State. The only man who built 17-story building in his village. Dr. Maduka ji wo nwanne nwoke. Nneji papa ya la mama ofunna ibe toto ihe lile arụ ebe a mụ arụ ga ese ngwa ihe lile na-erube la high court na-erube la magistrate court na-erube ebe arụrụ ọrụ n'obodo na ọrụ ihe karịrị mmadụ 50 ụlọ ji osoro kwuoro m n'onwe nke m ọ zọrọ ihe ruo mmadụ 100 moto ke Highlander m nọ n'ụlọ m ugbu a otu sekụl ala ha agụ ya agụ ọ lọtụtụ na ga na-ewu kpoo machine 100 200 abịa ke youth obodo ihe ahụrụ ihe ọrụ ebe a ụmụnne niile obodo niile ihe niile obodo ya lakata bịa n'ụlọ ọgwụ ọrụchara nye ndị ụka lelee ụlọ parish Father's house church hall IC always school nọ n'ime ebe a IC. But even though he built police station, just like you said, there is nobody there. You pass like there is no police there or anybody, and other SACS headquarters here, somewhere here. So upon everything, that doesn't guarantee any safety for students here. So how would the security be? Because I don't think whether that will be enough to guide the people.
Okay, thank you. The thing is that in Umuchuku here, Umuchuku is very calm.
Okay.
In terms of security, we have a vigilante here.
All right.
And they are working well.
Okay.
So, Umuchuku eba, all the very, and in fact, in terms of security, I ain't okay here.
So, are you trying to say that in terms of security, you are covered as far as you are in Umuchuku? Yes, you are covered. All this type of thing not happen in many places. Not happen ever.
Okay. We have a security and God is in control.
Yeah.
This Umuchuku for an answer. I'm telling you the truth. Even as a mona, even if na Madini decide na Keku is a Muchuku and I'm on and answer that to Umuchuku.
You are a strong believer.
Hi. One yana answer that to Umuchuku. I'm going to have the easy to know what to cook up.
Yeah, you are right. So, guys, do you guys know who we are talking about? Let me just refresh your mind. We are talking about Chief Dr. Godwin Maduka. He's a professor, a medical doctor in the United States of America. He's the CEO of Las Vegas Pain Institute.
Yes.
Medical center in the United States of America, the largest, the biggest pain treatment hospital in Las Vegas or Nevada?
Las Vegas,
United States of America.
Las Vegas.
Otago is from this village, and one amazing thing about him is that he's a man who loves his village.
Yes.
He's a man who is the promoter of a corona.
Oh, they are no.
The Marifan Akpa corona. Bring your weight home. You water go. Do you know why? He grew up in this village. He know what village is all about.
What do they know now?
You water go.
What do they know about?
Jesus Christ.
As Elias.
So he suffered. His family was not rich.
He's from poor family now.
And God opened up.
Before I wanted the opportunity, is the Obodo.
Can you see it? So he's a promoter of culture and tradition, not in the other way, but he loves to bring his weight home.
Yes.
That is why he put this. Yes, that's why he put this 17-story building in his village. This 17-story building is the tallest building in the whole Southeast Nigeria. On top of provided that his village is
provided that his village is topping.
Bam.
Ah, I love this.
I want to be 17 today and you lose all your hand then.
At top oya.
Top boy.
Ah, where are they coming from them?
Okay, now
So let's tour the tallest building in the whole Southeast Nigeria. Let's tour it. You want to go? Let's go and check it out. So can we enter inside?
no, the place is locked.
Okay, it's locked.
Yes.
So, but let's just tour it around. Let's go around and see what, because I can't come to this massive structure and not go it around or tour it and see what is there. So, here's supposed to be the entrance.
Yeah.
The
entrance.
okay. So, keep follow like this. Mean of if follow here.
Yeah, the guy.
Or just a design.
A design. A design. Then the other one, Mirina one and cause Mirina.
Up to the other one.
Mirina flow there. Okay, now Mirina a flow there.
Okay. This is massive, man.
Yes.
This is massive, man. This is in a village, Umuchuku, Orumba South, local government of Anambra State, Nigeria. Can I peep it? I just want to peep something. I want to. Let me see.
Yeah, underground.
This is massive, man. This is underground. This is underground. This man did wonders here. I don't think whether all these people, all these noise makers can't do this in their village. All these noise makers. Yeah. You go fit make noise, do this kind of thing for your village. Nothing, no go fit. Okay. This is the entrance where car can.
Yes. Car park.
Show them this. This is the entrance where your car can follow this one, enter.
Enter inside and park.
And park. Underground parking. You can only see this in America, but they don't bring out Umuchuku in Anambra State. Where are they coming from, man? This is massive, man. So, they're trying to, the students will start coming very soon, eh?
Yes.
But in Kawana fall is off, what is happening?
No, but according to that, I have buried glass.
Okay.
Buried glass.
Okay. This is massive, man. When you are talking about this man putting up this structure, he didn't put it for profit. I don't think whether he built it in his village for profit.
No.
He built it for the development
of the community.
Yes.
Yes.
Because if he like honor for profit, he will not even do it here. There is Oka, there is Lagos. Because do you know what? There is nowhere, like, you know, there is nobody who have done something like this in his village.
Yes.
In the whole Africa. In the whole world.
Yes.
Nobody.
He's
the only one that have put up a 17-story building in his village.
Yes.
Or in his state or not in his village. He's the only one that can that did something like that.
Yes.
And we need to promote it. We need to, you know, give him thumbs up because he's a great man.
Yes.
That's why we lost when we are coming here.
Okay.
We missed road now. I know the fools. I must buy naga. And since morning I put that. Since morning by 7 o'clock we left Enugu and we get to Onitsha. Then there is no car that is coming to Umuchu. We have to go. They say we should go Newi. Then we entered car, went to Newi. When we got to Newi, they said that we have to enter car that will go to Kulobia before we can come to Umuchu. We have to enter car that comes to Kulobia. When we get to Kulobia, then we have to look for a car that comes to Umuchu. We couldn't get. We have to take charter from Kulobia to Umuchu. When we get to Umuchu, they said Umuchu is different from Umuchuku. That we have to find a way to go to Umuchuku. Yeah? So after too much talking, because there's no way we can go back. I was telling my brother, let's go back. There's no means, there's no way, because we have, you know, when we are committed, there's no way to go back. There's no means of going back again. We just have to finish it. Then we have to take another charter from Umuchu to Umunze. When we get to Umunze again, they say that we have to enter another car to Umuchuku. So from Umunze to Umuchuku, we have to take another charter. We have spent a lot of money coming to this village called Umuchuku. You want to go? So just to document about, to tell the story of this great man, because he's the only one. He doesn't have any duplicates. He doesn't have any. But What is the Kefana Ponda Umunze Umuchuku Umuchu?
Umuchu.
So what is the connection? If you know, please tell me. I want to know because all these they confused us. I was thinking that Umuchu is the same with Umuchu.
Well, I don't know. That's how I saw it. When I was born, I've been hearing of Umunze, Umuchu, and Umuchuku. Well, meanwhile, a lot of people have been complaining. Maybe you give direction, the person will stop at Umuchu.
Some people are not complain because of it.
Yes, it's a wrong direction because I will not more can get direction from Enugu eba.
But do you know what confuses us more? When we googled about it, Umuchu, because it was Umuchu. Umuchu was every direction we are seeing.
Okay.
Umuchu. Even if you Google, you will see Umuchu. So, but we suffer today, seriously.
Chai.
We seriously need, you see, in this our job, we seriously need a car for this journey, for this, because we spent a lot and we still have to go back to Enugu today. As I'm talking, this is how, what says the time? Check it away.
This is after 4, 3 minutes after 4.
After 4. We still have to go back to Enugu today.
You know, Enugu is not that kind of far.
You sure?
Yeah. I'll just put on a junction nearby. If I motor now express, express, if I motor Enugu. Well, because of Nema Hosa.
Yeah, you can say, okay, this is another entrance where car can, you can enter from the other way. You can enter from the other entrance.
Yes.
Enter the underground and park, then still follow here.
This is where you will come out if you want to come out.
Okay. This is it. You can only see this in Anambra State. Umuchuku. Built by Dr. Maduka Godwin, former governorship aspirant in Anambra State. We are talking about Chief Dr. Godwin Maduka, who is from Umuchuku, Anambra State. The only man who built 17-story building in his village. He was a governorship aspirant. He competed with Soludo, but he didn't win. Why? I don't know. I should be asking you watching me. He is from Anambra State, but he didn't win election, governorship election under PDP. And this man have, evidence of what he did to people, his villagers, his village people, and the community choke, and we couldn't vote for him. Why? You are the one to answer that question. So, but look at the building he put up in his village. This is a 17-story building. He's the only man that have ever done something like this before. If you have something like this in your village, make you come out and say it. Let's go check it out. This man built 17-story building in his village in Umuchuku, Anambra State, Nigeria. And this building, in centuries to come, this building can never go out of fashion. This is American standard. Come on, check it out. He's the only man that can do something like this. This is American standard. Nowhere in the whole Nigeria, nowhere in the whole world, someone have ever built 17-story building in his village, in community. Nowhere. If you have something like this, tell me, let's go check it out. The biggest city in the whole southeast Nigeria, where is the biggest city? You can talk about Enugu, Oka, blah, blah, blah. They don't have this kind of structure. He's the only one that, and he came and put it up in his village. This man is a man that we should emulate. That's why we are here, to promote him, to show to the world, for you watching me, to pick and begin to come home and invest. Because this man has done extraordinary things that, he even doing more and more. In this village, I will just show you some. I will not show you all because it's plenty. We'll have to go and come back because time is going. But this man built, just like the guy explained, roads, hospitals, church. This is school. This school, they are starting very soon in his village. And even gave his personal buildings, personal house where he lives. He gave it out to the school. He's the only man in the whole Nigeria who can do this. But he didn't win governorship election. He didn't win under PDP. Why? Why? Somebody with evidence of, something like evidence of governance, evidence of, giving and maintaining and development. We couldn't give it to him. It is only in Nigeria you see this kind of thing happening. Okosisi, Orumba, in local government area of Anambra State. And they call him Land of Africa. The whole Africa in America, United States of America, gathered and gave him the title. the Lion of Africa. He didn't just wake up and begin to answer that name. The man is too much. The man is an Iroko. It's an Iroko. It's too much. This is what we are talking about. Promoting our own. We should be emulating. Bring your words home. Don't talk about insecurity. If you have never been to your village, don't talk about insecurity. Someone who schooled in America, did everything in America, has hospital in America, the biggest hospital in Las Vegas. You want to go? He chooses to be bringing his words home, doing a lot of things for his village people. But you living in Lagos, you living in Abuja, don't want to come because of insecurity. Thunder fire you there. You don't want to come home because of insecurity. And someone who don't spend all his life in America, they bring his words home. They come home always. This guy talk say he don't come home like 4 times or 5 times this year. But you where they live in Lagos, no one come home. You no one bring your words home. All your investment in Lagos. Now Mumu they worry you. Start to bring your money home. Start to bring your money home. We have to go. And remember, we need car to be able to move around. We suffer today to get here. It's not easy for Creative Law TV.
I'm on you, Muchuku. I am over Johnson, Ezejiofo. Dr Maduka wo nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne m nwoke. Nne ji papa ya la mama m. Ofu nna. Ibi na ọtụtụ ihe niile arụrụ ebe a m arụga ya. Eso m ihe niile. Unu erube la high court. Unu erube la magistrate court. Unu erube ebe arụrụ ọrụ. N'obodo na ọrụ ihe karịrị mmadụ 50 ụlọ. Ji osoro kwuoro m n'onwe nke m. Ọ zọrọ ihe ruo mmadụ 100 moto. Ke Highlander m nọ n'ụlọ m ugbu a. Motorcycle ala ha agụ ya agụ. Ọ lọtụtụ na ga na-ewu kpoo machine 100 200 abịa ke youth obodo. Ya hụrụ ihe ọrụrụ ebe a. Ụmụnne niile obodo niile ihe niile obodo ya lakata bịa n'ụlọ ọgwụ. Ọ rụchara nye ndị ụka. Lelee ụlọ parish, Father's house, church hall. IC o nwere skuul nọ n'ime ebe a. IC ọ ya rụrụ ya. Ụmụ akwụkwọ juru ebe ahụ na ma nduchi ebe ha chi ha juru ebe a na ọ ya nwere arụ ihe ndị ahụ. So ọ nnukwu mmadụ ya mgbe Chukwu na-echu ya ụra. Obodo anyị na-echu ya ụra ebe ahụ ọ nọ. Ihe dị ya mkpa otu esi je eme ụzọ na ugbu a otoro Peter Obi ejite ụzọ na ọrụ bifo eji ha bịafe ebe a. Ọ ya nwa ka ejite ụzọ. So mgbe unu bịara ụbọchị ọzọ unu agagharịa bụ ego hụ ihe ọrụrụ baa ime obodo ebe ọ rụrụ ụlọ. Ndewo.
Mpa ji ego, the family o ji ego before.
Mbanụ onye arịgide n'elu akwụ elu nkwụ dagide elu. Nyere ọ bịara ụmụ akwụkwọ well mechaa bịa nweta visa ya afọ fụjie bido gawa akwụkwọ. Ọ nọrọ ebe ahụ ihe karịrị 10 years before ya lọta obodo gụọ degree dị iche iche were bido ego tiwa ya lụọ. Enweghị ego m na ụlọ ọrụ n'obodo karịrị 50 ọrụ ndụ mmadụ ma ụlọ elu ma ụlọ ala nke m nwere onwe m n'usoro ime ndị ọrụ ụlọ ahụ. Ma moto nke m la ụlọ m ugbu a Highlander red. Ya gụrụ ebe m rụchara ọrụ n'ụlọ ụka ebe a. Ịntala ọkụ adịrọ ụlọ ụka ebe ọ m mere ya. Ọ mgba ka o ji bunye m lọta were gbatara m ya ahịa were kelee m. Every day nụ ogologo ndụ ahụ isi ike udo agamnihu. Ọ sọ m lekpere ọ dị whole community lekpere. Ịbịa every morning la morning masị ebe eji eti ya lekpere. Every Sunday eleti ya lekpere. Ụmụaka ga block rosary eleti ya lekpere. So anyị lekpere ogologo ndụ ahụ isi ike ka ọ bịa ọdụ ihe o mere. Ụlọ skuul ele weta ebe a. Skuul a gara ibido akwụkwọ na Septemba beto. Ọ dị m ka ọrụ October ending ka ọ ji ebido akwụkwọ. So ogologo ndụ ahụ isi ike ka anyị lekpere udo na ịhụnanya.